Plastic surgeons and med spas. If you're still hiring agencies, you're scaling backwards. Most marketing agencies don't get it. They don't understand your procedures, your patients, or your margins. They waste your budget on generic ads, deliver fluff reports, and leave your OR schedule looking like a ghost town. Sound familiar? That was us too, until I said enough. My name is Alvin Mendieta. I'm the Chief Marketing Officer for my brother, Dr. Constantino Mendieta, and the founder of Masterpiece Marketing. 4 years ago, I fired every single agency. They were draining us dry with cookie-cutter campaigns and no real results. So I took over everything: ads, SEO, automation, follow-up, and rebuilt our entire marketing engine from the ground up. We didn't just run ads. We engineered a full ecosystem. We created Facebook and Instagram campaigns that actually converted. We launched Google Ads that attracted high-value patients ready to book. We dialed in SEO to dominate for intent-driven searches. We deployed AI voice agents that followed up with every lead 24/7. And we built an automated back end in the most powerful nurturing software that kept the entire machine running without missing a beat. The result? We turned our practice into a global brand and saw a 12x return on our marketing investment. Now, we help elite surgeons and med spas do the same. While every practice is different and results will always vary, the system we built is designed to cut waste, create predictable revenue, and eliminate guesswork. If you're tired of overpaying for underperformance and you're serious about scaling with precision, book a free growth audit. I'll personally walk you through what's broken, what's missing, and what's possible when your marketing is finally handled by someone who actually understands your business. Let's make your practice the next success story.